Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we have unboxing and review of new phone called AGM X2 SE. It is very interesting rugged phone with 6 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 653 chipset and 6000 mAh battery. However, I am little confused because there is already AGM X2 and looking at specifications list, it is the same as X2 SE model. What is the difference between these phones? If you already have AGM X2, please write in comments below. And we begin the review of AGM X2 SE with unboxing. Perhaps the main difference between AGM X2 and X2 SE is the package. Our hero comes in a compact black box. On the front side you can see only company logo, while the back panel has full specifications list. Everything in English, so you can read all information about phone. Inside the box there is phone itself. User manual and other documentation. SIM needle. Power adapter. Additional plugs from water. USB Type-C cable. It seems that package is main difference between these two phones, because AGM X2 SE doesn't have protective case, headphones and other stuff like AGM X2. However, I think that many people don't need them, so you can save some money and get AGM X2 SE. Now, let's look at design of new phone. AGM X2 SE is rugged phone with protection against water and drops by IP68 standard. It means that you can immerse the phone under the water up to 1.5 meters for about 30 minutes. From the other side, it has plugs on ports and connectors, and if you forget to close them, then the phone will be damaged. We already tested some rugged phones without plugs, and it is much more comfortable because you don't need to close them before going to swim. AGM X2 SE, like many other rugged phones, is not compact device. Its dimensions are 16.8 by 8.34 by 1.4 centimeters. Also, it weighs 250 grams. The phone is made of rugged plastic with glass back panel. By the way, the front and back panels have Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so they are very durable. I really like the design of AGM X2 SE, especially its back side. There are dual rig camera, flashlight, fingerprint reader and even company logo. At the bottom you can see a speaker and 2 screws. You can unscrew them, but they don't make any sense because the back panel is not removable. As for the front panel, there is 5.5-inch display with 16 by 9 aspect ratio. It has very thick bezels and low screen-to-body ratio. To be honest, it is very uncomfortable to use AGM X2 SE in 2018 when there are many phones with almost bezel-less displays. Above the screen you can see front camera, earpiece, light and proximity sensors and LED notification. At the bottom there is USB Type-C port, while 3.5mm audio jack is located on the top. The right side has power button and hybrid SIM card slot. The volume rocker and even camera button are on the left side. So AGM X2 SE is another rugged phone with very interesting design. We have a model with glass back panel, but also you can find with leather backside. AGM X2 SE comes with only 5.5-inch diagonal and 16 by 9 aspect ratio. However, its dimensions are almost the same as rugged phones with 18 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen has Full HD resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels and AMOLED panel. Yes, it is high quality, detailed and bright, but it is quite strange to meet 16 by 9 displays in 2018. It looks a little outdated, however I know some people that don't care about full screen trend or even do not like it. So if you are one of them, then AGM X2 SE display is excellent. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 653 processor and Adreno 510 graphics. It is not flagship chipset, but during our review we don't notice any lags or slowdowns. Everything worked fine. Also, there is 6 GB of RAM, which is very good for multitasking. 64 GB of storage should be enough for most users, but if not, then there is support for microSD memory cards up to 128 GB. Later, I will make a special video with performance test, including all benchmarks and gaming, but right now I want to show you an AnTuTu and Geekbench. AGM X2 SE scores about 84,000 points in AnTuTu, while Geekbench 4 shows 1,506 and 2872 points in single-core and multi-core tests. As for the software, AGM X2 SE runs on Android 7.1 Nougat. It is stock Android system without any Chinese apps or settings. However, the phone has built-in NFC, so you can make contactless payments. Moreover, there is a special app called Tap and Pay. It helps to make Android Pay with one click. I'm a little surprised that AGM X2 SE is also a good camera phone. It comes with 12-megapixel main sensor Sony IMX386. The same sensor is used in Xiaomi Mi Mix 2, Mi 6 and other flagship phones. Also, there is 16-megapixel front camera. I have no time to test the camera and make some real sample photos outdoors. However, I already saw images from AGM X2. These phones come with the same cameras, so I can say that AGM X2 SE has very good cameras. Later, I will make a special video with camera test of this phone. The link to this video will be in description. The battery is another big surprise of this phone. AGM X2 SE comes with 6000 mAh battery capacity. The manufacturer promises up to 5 days of battery life on a single charge. Also, there is support for Quick Charge 3.0 technology. The official website says that full charge takes an hour. To be honest, I don't believe in it, so in the next videos I will test the battery. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos. The smartphone supports not only 3G networks, but also 4G. In description you can find all supported networks. Be sure to check them before buying this phone. As for the other connections, they are standard for modern Android phone: GPS and GLONASS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, USB 2.0 with OTG support. Also there is NFC sensor. We didn't notice any problems with connections during our review. Everything worked well. AGM X2 SE is equipped with single speaker, however it is very loud. The quality of sound is pretty good. The phone has built-in equalizer Snapdragon audio, so you can adjust the sound to yourself. I cannot say that AGM X2 SE is music phone, but it is pretty good for watching movies, videos on YouTube and listening to music. AGM X2 SE is very good phone. It has everything you need from a mobile device in 2018, such as good performance, excellent display, big battery and stunning cameras. Among the disadvantages may be quite large dimensions, but you should not forget that it is a rugged phone. Also, it comes with 16:9 display and bezels around the screen are quite big. It looks strange for 2018 when most phones are bezelless. In general, AGM X2 SE is excellent rugged phone, perhaps even the best in 2018. Also there is a model AGM X2 and it doesn't differ from X2 SE, but only the package is different. It has protective case, earphones and other accessories in package. The design and specifications are completely the same. Thanks for watching. As usual, there will be 3 more videos about this phone: performance test, camera test and battery test. You can find them in description. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.